November 8, 2019. 11:52 p.m. Manhattan. 86th Street subway station. 8 million people ride the New York City subway every day. Thousands of stations. Hundreds of miles of tunnels. Most people arrive at their destination. Get off. Go home. Live their lives. But sometimes, someone enters the subway and never comes out on the night of November 8, 2019. The 86th Street station recorded 23 people entering after 11 p.m. The turnstile counted 23 swipes in. Only 22 people left. This is the story of the woman who disappeared. From a platform covered by 6 security cameras. From a station locked down by transit police. From the last train of the night. This is the Platform 7 mystery. Her name was Lauren Spierer. 26 years old. Graphic designer at a marketing firm in Midtown Manhattan. Pause. November 8th was a Friday. Lauren had been working late. Finishing a client presentation due Monday morning. Pause. At 11:35 p.m., she saved her work. Shut down her computer. Packed her laptop. Pause. Her roommate, Jessica Chen, later told police. Lauren had texted her at 11:40 p.m. Finally done. Heading home. Be there in 30. Lauren lived in the Upper West Side. 23 blocks north. The subway was the fastest way home. Security cameras outside her office building show Lauren exiting at 11:44 p.m. She's wearing a black coat. Gray scarf. Carrying a brown leather shoulder bag. She walks 2 blocks west. Then turns north on Lexington Avenue. At 11:51 p.m. she descends the stairs. Into the 86th Street subway station. She would never be seen above ground again. Station entrance, 11:51 and 47 seconds p.m. Lauren enters the subway station. She walks down the concrete steps. Fluorescent lights overhead. The familiar smell of the subway. Damp. Metallic. Camera 2, turnstile area, 11:52 and 3 seconds p.m. Lauren approaches the turnstile bank. She pulls out her Metro card. Swipes it through the reader. The display shows green, GO. The turnstile clicks. Lauren pushes through. The MTA's automated system logs every swipe. Lauren's Metro card was swiped at exactly 11:52 and 6 seconds p.m. Entry approved. This data would become crucial. Because it proved. Lauren Spierer definitely entered the station. Camera 3, main corridor, 11:52 and 15 seconds p.m. Lauren walks down the main corridor. Heading toward the downtown platform. The station is mostly empty at this hour. A few other late-night travelers. Some heading uptown. Some downtown. Lauren checks her phone briefly. Doesn't slow down. Knows where she's going. She's made this trip hundreds of times. Same route. Same station. Same platform. Camera 4, platform access, 11:52 and 34 seconds p.m. Lauren reaches the stairwell leading down to platform 7. The downtown platform. She descends the stairs. 13 steps. Down into the subway. Down to platform 7. Where 6 security cameras were recording everything. And nothing. Camera 5, platform 7 overview, 11:52 and 41 seconds p.m. Lauren steps onto the platform. Platform 7 is a standard NYC subway platform. 450 feet long. 20 feet wide. Concrete. Yellow safety line along the edge. Support columns every 30 feet. And 6 security cameras covering every angle. Camera 5, overview from the north end. Camera 6, overview from the south end. Camera 7, center platform, facing the tracks. Camera 8, turnstile entrance area. Camera 9, emergency exit corridor. Camera 10, service door access. 6 cameras. No blind spots. Lauren looks both ways down the platform. She's alone. The digital display board shows. Next train, 2 minutes. Lauren walks to approximately the center of the platform. Stops near a support column. Sets her bag down beside her feet. Pulls out her phone. Camera 7, center platform, 11:53 and 2 seconds p.m. Close-up angle. Lauren is scrolling through her phone. Maybe checking messages. Maybe reading something. She seems completely normal. Not nervous. Not looking around anxiously. Not afraid. Just a woman waiting for the train. 11:54 p.m. Lauren puts her phone back in her pocket. Looks down the tunnel. The platform is still empty. Just her. 11:55 p.m. She checks her phone again briefly. 11:56 p.m. She looks at the display board. Next train, 1 minute. Lauren picks up her bag. Steps closer to the yellow safety line. Ready to board when the train arrives. 11:57 p.m. A faint rumble in the tunnel. The sound of the approaching train. Lauren takes one step back from the edge. Standard safety practice. The rumble gets louder. 11:57 and 45 seconds p.m. Headlights appear in the tunnel. The train is approaching. Lauren adjusts her bag on her shoulder. Completely routine. 11:58 and 3 seconds p.m. The train enters the station. Brakes squealing. The number 6 train. Downtown. Final stop, Brew.